Good morning, guys, and happy Monday. We just got our order delivered from Food Lion. I woke up this morning and did it because last night I was supposed to order it so it can be here 4 in the morning. However, that did not happen because your girl was tired after doing all that juicing. So we did order this morning from Food Lion, and I just picked up the kids some grab me food, things that they can really make on their own since it's summertime. And then whatever I plan for us, that's what they're eating for lunch and dinner. So I have to plan that out and not just order. So I picked up some Gatorade. I'll stay hydrated. And I picked up these chips. I remember these in childhood, but I don't think we ever purchased them for the kids. This one open.
What?
Is that one open too?
What?
Oh no, I'm about to get my credit back. Maybe that's why I never bought them. But then I picked up some bagel bites for them. I got the pepperoni and the cheese. I did pick up salad for me and Babe to have for lunch today. Probably gonna go ahead and cook that chicken breast and make us like a chicken Caesar salad. And then I got us some eggs, milk. Then I got 2 juices. Those are childhood snacks. Daddy said he ain't had them in a long time. Then I just picked up some fries, turkey sausage. Go over there, try to push me the bag. Some turkey meat so they can sandwiches. And then I just picked up some Lunchables. I got the turkey and cheese one. Then I also have the chicken nugget one. Oh, and nachos. I did pick up some cheese because we're about to cook breakfast. And I know it's pretty late, 10:55. Really should be getting brunch at this point. Hot dogs, because we're gonna try to put some on the grill later today. And make some hot dogs. Then I got some mac and cheese. Got some Miracle Whip. Do y'all eat Miracle Whip or do y'all eat mayonnaise? And just some bread. This is not the bread I ordered, but bread. And then I got some hot dog buns. Here, put those bags in the trash. So that is pretty much all that I have right now, but I am about to go ahead and make an order for Target because there's some things that I need from Target and also Amazon Fresh because I need some things from there too. I hate that I have to go to all these different places to order stuff. My head is itching so bad. But everybody don't sell the same thing, and then some people prices are cheaper than others, so I'm gonna go wherever I need to go to get what I need. But that is all that we have so far. So I'm about to go ahead and put this up and go ahead and get breakfast started. Oh, there you go. Now I'm about to make me this tea, but this morning I'm gonna add lemon in it. I already washed them last night. All right, Carson, go ahead and start putting this stuff up in the fridge. These go in the freezer. Let's see. I don't know who had this water. Put what at? No, I'm gonna put the eggs in the clear containers. This has to be washed. Put that over there. Where those lemons at? Lemon. Yeah. Take those towels and things and put it by the washroom door. You don't have to do that one. You left the mat, Carson. You have to put these things in here nice and neat. Huh? Say holiday. Hit the X up there in the corner so that it's not up there anyway.
That was last year.
What was last year? I don't know last year. What are you talking about?
But last week. Can you use this?
Am I gonna use it? Yeah, why?
I want it.
You can have it if you want it. No, I have to make an order. A bowl, plate.
If you did it. I did it.
Wipe your mess up. We gotta do something with it. Okay, what supposed to be doing? Cooking. Ooh, I'm about to crack it myself, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and get this stuff out so I could go ahead and cook and get that out of the way. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and look at these bags and suitcases. I'm gonna be upstairs majority of the day because I need to, one, help Maddie with her room because it's not gonna get done, and help her get her stuff packed. She was struggling really bad last night packing it.
Me and my brother had to pack our stuff.
And then after I help Maddie clean her room and help her pack, then I'm gonna go and help pack the boys' stuff. That stuff is pretty much already together. I just need to put it in the suitcase. Never took their clothes out of the bag. The new clothes that we just purchased for them to go to Florida, we didn't take it out of the bag. The thing that we're gonna be packing is probably like toothpaste, stuff that I don't think I'm gonna order some disposable sheets and stuff. Cause I really don't be thinking they wash them towels and I know. I don't know. I really don't know. But that's what I'm gonna do. Put it on my list. Disposable sheets, pillowcases, probably take our own towels and wash clothes. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, once morning. And I need to focus on what me and babe is wearing because we literally don't have absolutely nothing together. So get the kids out the way. Like I said, get the girls' hair done this week, and I think I have one client, which is my sister, to Friday, and after that, because I pretty much did all my other clients the week before. So yeah, all that done, hopefully today. I'm also gonna try to get out and get a walk in because I need one. But yeah, let me go ahead and get this breakfast cooked off because y'all, I'm just yapping and I'm already at 13 minutes. Oh, I'm about to turn my mic up. I already know I'm gonna bring out the good old faithful flat top. What do they call this? Grill. Literally forgot, y'all. Put this back here because I don't want it to. So yeah, I'm gonna do the basics, get that out of the way. I'm gonna do eggs, turkey. I'm not doing any bacon today, and pancakes. That's it. That's all, cause we got a lot to do. So, I don't know why Carson. Did I need my bowl for eggs? I think all my other bowls are in the dishwasher. I'm not eating the pancakes, so I can make it in this one for them. I think that should be enough. Last time I think I overcooked with overmade and pancakes. Cinnamon and sugar. I don't think I put enough in there. I like to see the cinnamon. I guess they like it too because they don't eat it. This sausage is already fully cooked. This is the sausage that I'm using. The turkey sausage by Jimmy Dean. I just like to put it on there. Get it a little brown. 10 grams of protein. That is a plus. 2 patties. It's the same. I'm gonna do 2 for me. 2. I'm gonna do 3 for the boys and babe. 1, 2, 3. 3 for Carson, 3 for babe, 2 for Bryson, 2 for me, 2 for Maddie. That should be good. I may eat a pancake, at least one, a small one. Oh my God, I did not order any butter, but I guess I have enough to make this breakfast. What do y'all make y'all pancakes with? Buttermilk, regular milk, or like almond milk, or what? What y'all make y'all's with? Water. I normally melt butter and pour it in here during the mixture, but because I am low on butter, I'm not gonna do that this morning. And when the melted butter, I feel like it helped get some of the chunks out as well. This is a non-stick pan, so I meant flat top, so I don't really have to worry about it sticking. It really looks like I'm gonna have to make more, or I'm not gonna have a pancake for real. I don't need one. Yeah, I'll have to make more. Okay, sit right there. Put it over there. We'll get it. Sit right there. Yeah, I'm down here trying stuff now because who told me to put sausage inside the pancake? What? Down here playing with food is crazy. Y'all, I'm trying to make this butter. Okay, I got that. I just need y'all to clean your room up. Any clothes that need to be put up. And yes, we do use a lot of eggs because we are a big family. I always lift my eggs up. That's why I use this clear bowl because I want to make sure there's no shells at the bottom. And I also need to see everything in it. Okay, this is the only butter that I have left, but however, putting this in as a stick, it's the same butter that I use as a stick, but for some reason this one pops a lot. Be popping like frying grease. And who has time for that? Yeah, popped all over the place. Let's see, I need new pans bad. Actually, time to throw this one away. So I'm gonna put in that butter. The camera's about to die. And it's always about to die right when I'm making the last little bit of the food. I'm gonna put in a little pepper, a little salt, and I'll see you guys. Oh my God, it was not recording. All right, y'all, so breakfast is completely done. Like I said, it was the basics that we did just to go ahead and have something to eat. Pancakes, eggs, and turkey sausage. And Babe gonna have a Diet Coke with his because he already had his juice for this morning when he first got up and started working. And I'm probably gonna have half of my juice with my breakfast, but I mainly want water with my breakfast, and then, you know, from there. But yeah, that's what we having. My camera is literally about to die. It's blinking right now, so we're gonna go ahead and eat breakfast, and yeah, I'll see you guys once we're done. So y'all, we got to Vacation Bible School, and we are about to go in. I knew I wasn't gonna pick the camera up again before we left, but it's okay. Your girl is tired.
Yeah, I'm tired.
So we're about to go. We just got here and we're about to go ahead in. We might record a little bit. We might not. It just depends on why we're in here.
Maddie, take your seatbelt off.
Sleep.
Down.
Yeah, we're tired.
It's been a long day.
But we'll see you guys later. Push it down.
No, Mom.
Down.
So, guys.
Like,
You
wait.
that video yet?
Get away. Why you? I'm not speaking to her.
Everybody yet? Oh, this again. I gotta put it in there.
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to put that? Oh, you done with this water right here.
Y'all gonna have to outreach and get these kids in here.
$5
Yeah, that's what I told them. I'm like, oh, they look like that. I said, like, hey, or so. That's what I said. It's like bologna.
We used to eat
It's like bologna.
refrigerator when we were small.
Really? Yeah. But like bologna, like eat bologna like that, right?
Yeah.
It's good. Oh, okay.
July kids can use these.
Okay, yes.
They don't expire till July 1st.
Okay.
Been sitting in the pantry at work for them little, I got them for the infant because sometimes they have to eat different stuff than the other kids.
Yeah. They probably want that, what's that food? Yeah.
I'll bring them and if somebody got some kids that they'll eat them while they're out of school.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Appreciate you. Okay. Appreciate you.
Hey.
Need help? We just finished. Okay. Appreciate you. Yep, just finished, Mom. Look at that's good. Huh?
You want me to put it in there?
Yeah, put it in there.
Okay, won't take this.
Alright, y'all, we just got home. We tried to record a little bit while we was at Vacation Bible School. However,
It was good. I'll call you back.
we tried to record a little bit once we got there. However, food committee. I didn't know I was gonna be a part of food committee when I got there, so we didn't really vlog too much. But we went in. They also had their own class, so
God said, be ready.
right, Maddie. So go ahead and tell them, what did you learn in Vacation Bible School?
I learned about Madison. Oh,
About superheroes and about prayer.
and you can find stuff in the Bible.
Girl, get out my camera.
That's what she said.
All right, Bryson, what did y'all learn about? Get up.
Daniels. That I did got her. She said Daniels killed with
Okay.
it is superheroes.
Okay.
It's the same thing as Bryson, but like God Daniel powers because he killed
Did it get Daniel powers because what?
because he tied with his bare hands.
So he didn't give him powers because he killed the tiger with his bare hands.
Yeah. That was it.
Okay.
Oh, I remember now.
You remember?
I said remember.
Remember?
Remember.
Yeah, not remember. She did say remember.
Yo, what did I say?
She said
No, I
remember.
didn't.
You've been saying that since you was little.
No, I.
Yes, you have. Come on, tell them.
Yes, I forgot her name. But
Okay. It was Miss Sarah.
not Miss Sarah.
Oh.
It was some lady, and some man told her that God wasn't real, and then the man told the lady to prove it, and then she said God bring down fire down the sky, and God bring down fire.
Okay.
That's what she told me.
Okay.
Sarah.
That was they was about basically the same thing that we was learning about the superpowers and stuff. And how about Bible class? Vacation Bible School tonight was actually a really good kickoff. Tomorrow was night 2, and then Wednesday will be night 3. Thursday night 3, and it'll be over. Then we'll be strictly in vacation mode.
Vacation.
Just wanted to come on and end tonight's vlog and let you guys know how Vacation Bible School was tonight and what exactly we learned, and just a little insight on it. And yeah,
Mommy.
that's why y'all didn't get ice cream right now.
You see me.
You were doing the same thing.
Yeah.
But anyway, babe, you got anything to say?
It was a good vacation Bible school. Just tired. Been tired days.
Again?
Work much. But we had it was praying. Well, we
Sis
was all
prayed
praying.
heavens down.
Wow, I thought someone was fighting.
Yeah, we was them demons.
Yeah, so we
I
learned
heard.
so
I thought someone was sister,
so
something.
that was actually pretty dope.
Never mind.
But I give it was actually really great. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
Come on, let you guys know that we did make it back home already. Vacation Bible School was a success, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.